We see wolf tracks.
Yeah, we're somewhere on the, what lake is it?
Fontana.
Yeah,
Fontana
we're
Lake. And there, can I hold it?
Yeah, go ahead.
There
are wolf tracks. Blatant wolf tracks.
and they
Ooh, look
keep
at that one.
What?
yeah,
That's a big one.
really big. And then they keep going. And then look, he looks around. You can see all his footprints.
Yeah, and we think that the wolf may have been chasing the deer. Because
Yeah.
the wolf is on deer tracks.
Which are
Right around here.
yeah, see? Right here. They go. They're
And
going
then there's this one which you can really see.
down these. And they're and here's
These on these. So we think there may have been a chase.
yeah.
Wolf chasing the
But
deer.
we don't know where the deer went after that. There's no more footprints. So it's the mystery. Jackie, that's my rock.
Gonna watch
Done?
now.
We're done.
All right.